Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. Welcome to the ultimate WhatsApp tip guide. So whether you're a casual user or a messaging pro, these 9 tips will help you unlock the latest features to enhance your chats, personalize your experience, and get more out of your favorite messaging app. So let's dive in. So feature number 1 is where you can create WhatsApp status with multiple photos in layout. So WhatsApp now allows you to add multiple photos in single status update using layout templates. So you can select different collages formats to display multiple pictures at once instead of uploading them one by one. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your Play Store, search for WhatsApp and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open it. Now in WhatsApp, go ahead and tap on Updates and then go ahead and tap on the new status here. So here on this window, you'll see this new button called Layout. So as you know, we already have text and music. However, these 2 buttons have now appeared in the new update. So for this video, we're looking at layout. Tap on this. And now you're going to go ahead and select a picture. So for example, these 3 and then tap on tick. And now here you can go ahead and create a collage out of them. So you can do a 2x2, 3x1, different layouts, 2x1. And now once you're happy, press done. And then go ahead and add your captions, and then go ahead and send this off to your status. So this basically saves you time, gives your status a more creative look, and it helps tell a visual story with multiple images in a single frame. Feature number 2 is where you can share your WhatsApp status with voice. So WhatsApp have a new update, so instead of just photos or text, you can now record and share a voice note as your WhatsApp status. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open it. Now in WhatsApp itself, go ahead and tap on Updates and then go ahead and tap on Create New Status. Now here at the top right, you'll see this new button called Voice. So go ahead and tap on this. Now here you can go ahead and record your voice status. So go ahead and hold to record your voice. So you can record a voice of 60 seconds on each status. Once you're done, go ahead and play around with the background. Play the audio and make sure you're happy with it, and then go ahead and send this off to your WhatsApp status. So this is perfect for quick updates, personalized message, or expressing emotions that are better heard than read, like greetings, announcements, or jokes. Feature number 3 is where you can turn on the voice chat in WhatsApp groups. So on WhatsApp in larger groups, WhatsApp now has included a voice chat feature which works like live chat that anyone in the group can join without ringing it for everyone. So as you know, when you're in a group chat and when someone rings a group chat, it basically goes out to everyone. However, now they have changed this so that you can turn on a voice chat and the person can join if he or she wants to. So let me show you how you can turn on this voice chat. So to turn on a voice chat feature, go ahead and swipe up just above this message. Hold it there. And then now this will start voice chat. So you can swipe up easily to talk with your group over audio. It quietly starts without ringing anyone. So if you're happy with that, tap on start. And now a voice chat has been started. So it's ideal for casual group discussions and spontaneous meetings without disturbing all the members. It's like walkie-talkie session for your group chat. Feature number 4 is where you can set theme color for your chat on WhatsApp. So on WhatsApp, you can now change the theme color of your WhatsApp interface, such as chat bubbles, backgrounds, and highlights to suit your style. So let me show you how to do this. So here's an example. I'm in a group chat on WhatsApp. So if I want to change the theme of this chat, I'll go ahead and tap on the 3 dots and I'll tap on chat theme. So here I can go ahead and choose all these available chat themes. And then at the bottom right here, I can go ahead and choose the transparency or the night mode of it. I can go ahead and change the color of your chat bubbles. So there's a lot of personalization which you can do on your WhatsApp application. And once you're happy, tap on the tick. Here, go ahead and tap on set theme. And now when you go back, you have set the theme on your WhatsApp application. So personalizing your chat environment makes the app more enjoyable and visually comfortable, especially for those who love customizing their phone. Feature number 5 is where you can share a voice message on WhatsApp without holding to record. So on your WhatsApp application, previously you had to hold the mic button to record a voice message like this. Now, recently, WhatsApp has just updated that, and now you just need to go ahead and tap, swipe up. This will lock up the mic, and you can talk hands-free. So here is an example. To record a voice message on this group, I can go ahead and swipe on this mic icon, swipe up, this will lock it, and I can just go ahead and record my voice note hands-free. Once I'm done, I can go ahead and tap on send, and this will send that off in the WhatsApp group or to someone on WhatsApp. So this frees up your fingers, allowing you to multitask while recording, and it's easier to record longer and more natural messages. Feature number 6 is where you can react to WhatsApp messages with emojis. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can now long press a message and react to it using an emoji like thumbs up, heart, or maybe a funny face. This is something similar to Instagram. However, before you only had a set of 5 emojis which you can use. With the recent update in WhatsApp, you can now use more emojis. So here is an example in WhatsApp. I can go ahead and long press on a message, and I can go ahead and react with all of these emojis. If I cannot find my emoji here, I can go ahead and tap on the plus sign, and I can go ahead and find it from this list. So as you can see, there's a wide variety of emojis which I can use. So it's a quick and non-intrusive way to respond without typing. So it's great for group chats and quick acknowledgements to messages on WhatsApp. Feature number 7 is where you can set media upload quality to high definition. So your WhatsApp application lets you choose to send media in high quality. So before you could only send it in standard quality. However, now you can send it in high definition quality, and you can do this for both photos and videos. So let me show you how you can set this. So first you want to go ahead and tap on the 3 dots, then tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find storage and data. From here, go ahead and scroll down and find media upload quality. So as you can see, currently it's set to standard quality. So this is good for faster. So this is faster to send and it's in smaller file size. However, you can go ahead and choose high definition quality. The drawback is that it's slow to send and can be 6 times larger. So if you agree with that, go ahead and choose that quality and press save. So now whatever you upload will always be in high definition quality. So your image and videos stay crisp and clear. It's great for sharing travel photos, important documents, or special moments without losing quality on WhatsApp. Feature number 8 is where you can create your own avatar on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp now lets you design your own personalized 3D avatar of yourself, which you can use as your profile picture or send it as a sticker. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open WhatsApp, then tap on the 3 dots and then tap on settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find avatar, tap on this, and now you want to go ahead and create your own avatar. So go ahead and read this, tap get started. Now you can go ahead and create an avatar from selfie, so I'll do that. So now this will basically create an avatar from my selfie, which I've done. Now here at the bottom, you can go ahead and choose all your body type, press save and continue. Now you can go ahead and customize the style, hair, makeup, face, body, choose what hair type, what clothes the person is wearing, shoes, and so on. And once you're happy, press save at the top right. And now your avatar has been created on WhatsApp. So these are all the stickers which you can use. So it's a fun and expressive way to show off your personality and you create a unique presence in the chat. And lastly, feature number 9 is where you can set the Meta AI widget on your home screen. So on your WhatsApp, you can now add a Meta AI chatbot widget to your home screen for your Android phone. So this basically offers quick access to smart AI help, suggestions, or information. So here within WhatsApp, we have Meta, where you can basically ask all the questions, just like Google Gemini or ChatGPT. However, if you want quick access to Meta on your home screen here, you can go ahead and add it as well. So in order to add a widget, go ahead and long press on an empty space, tap on widgets. Now here you want to go ahead and scroll down and find WhatsApp. Now here you'll see this Meta AI widget. So you can ask Meta, use the camera and the voice. So go ahead and add this. Now go ahead and customize this. To use Meta, just go ahead and tap on this, and this will open up WhatsApp, and you can go ahead and use Meta. So it's like having ChatGPT or a smart assistant right from your home screen. You're ready to help with questions, tasks, or productivity tips. And there you have it, 9 powerful WhatsApp tips that can transform the way you chat, share, and connect. Try them out and see how much more convenient and fun your messaging experience becomes. If you got a favorite tip, then let me know in the comment section down below. If you liked what you learned, share these tips with other WhatsApp users and subscribe for more hidden features and mobile hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.